About 6 months ago, me and Marlies Photography went to see one of the most incredible abandoned places yet. The way in was kind of harsh, but once inside the illegal grounds, it was all worth it. The first thing we saw was this beautiful old rare cars on the outside. And then on the inside we found a hallway full of old vehicles and car parts left untouched. But this wasn't all. After this we went to the higher floor and found a huge room full of the rarest of vehicles left behind with amazing lightning shining through. We had such a blast exploring this place. With this being said, please enjoy and please press the bell notification button to turn on all notifications for whenever I upload. So guys, this is really crazy, but all of the files of this company are still here. Wow, this is straight up from Ghostbusters, guys. You know that part in the library with the ghost coming that looks like this with all old books? A lot of black molds, but I cannot show you guys those files because they're still personal information. So I have to blur that out. So we just had to crawl through one of those windows and we're in the showers, I believe. Well, probably for the walkers, which is really normal in this area. Because a lot of people walked in those factories back in the days. I think this is the entrance though. It's absolutely really steep, as you can tell, look. It's really steep going down here, but really cool for sure. So guys, right now we are in a room, really creepy and dark room, full of like old car parts, like old motors and wheels, a lot of car parts, and we both really dislike this room because it is really creepy. Cannot lie, this is not a place you would explore alone because it just feels really creepy. And remember, we're in the most criminal town of Belgium right now. So there's a lot of drug addicts and homeless people and robberies in this town, so yeah, we have to be careful. So everybody, right now I'm standing in a really impressive room. We just found the first room full of old-time cars. It's just a really creepy location because it is pitch black here, so I have to use the night vision. But yeah, behind me you can see, let's see, all of those old cars, you see? Really cool. But definitely a really creepy location that I'm glad I'm not alone this time because this place would be really scary to explore by myself. It's just rooms full of dark alleyways full of cars. It's not easy to get out, we have to climb through a window, so yeah, let's take a look at those cars. I cannot wait to show you guys. Whoa, this is insane. All of those old-timers. Wow, not many people know this location. It's quite a famous location, but people just don't know where this is because it's a really rare location to get. So yeah, I'm glad I'm the one to document this place for you guys. Didn't I tell you guys that this is such an incredible location? Behind there you see those hooks, that's car doors on that. So they really used to make cars here. After this place had money problems, it just got abandoned and they had to leave all the cars behind. And yeah, then there's this, years of decay, some vandals smashed the windows, but it'll be really interesting. I don't expect homeless people in this location because it's a really filthy location, but you never know. Wow, this van is actually incredible, but it's in a really bad state. All of those cars are in pretty bad state, but it's just so cool to see so many old timers rare Oldtimers. I mean, those are rare cars. You don't buy those cars anymore. At least not where I am from. Like, full of rare cars. It's such a unique find. Look, this one had leather seating, which is really beautiful. I'm glad I have this night vision, because otherwise it would be so dark here. Like, it's pitch black. I literally have to watch my screen so I can walk here. And that makes it a little bit scary too. Cannot lie. But wow. Absolutely insane. There's so many cars, and this is just the first haul that we found so far. Oh, I really like that one. You see it? Look at this. This is my favorite for sure. This one. Wow, it was a really cool olive green color. You cannot see it because you're in night vision, but it's really beautiful. Yeah. So guys, on those hooks they used to hang all of the car doors that are getting ready for production. It's really weird to see so many car doors just hanging here behind all of those vehicles. Really weird. It is definitely really weird. And it really smells like oil here too. So I guess they used to test the cars here too. You keep hearing sounds, but it's like water dripping from the ceiling. But I guess a really creepy vibe. Yeah. I kinda wanna show you guys all of those cars, but it's kinda hard to do that. Well, here's one of the cars. Nice seating. Like, this is a nice car. Those cars were expensive back in the days, I can tell you that much. Wow. I know it's bad of me, but I actually didn't look which brand they are, so I'm kind of curious. So let's take a look which brand those cars are, because I know you guys are gonna want me to check it out. So let's take a closer look to the cars now on the back to see which brand they are. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay. So everybody, I just took a look at those cars, but there is no brand on them. But I'm sure many of you guys know which cars those are. So please let me know in the comments. We're really curious. Looks like they're all from the same brand. Or are they just called American cars? Or is that just what we call them? Rare old cars. French cars. Yeah. So they've been created here, and they never got to ride the roads, but it's a cool place, definitely cool. So Explorers, we just got on the upper levels, and it's full of old cars, Oldtimers again. It's absolutely insane. So cannot wait to show you guys. This is so cool. We didn't expect a second haul, but yeah, we hear the police, but let's hope it's not for us. Let's take a look. Oh wow. So guys, this place is full of Oldtimers again. And there's even an old, like, sailing boat here. Really cool, actually. I believe this was like a fire truck or something. Maybe a fire truck. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. It looks like a fire truck, but maybe it's just a really cool looking van. That's definitely a possibility. Yo guys, I really like this gravity van. Pretty cool. Maybe there's some brands on those cars here. And we can see which brand those cars were. Let me see. It's a C35 RD. Not sure what car that is, but some of you guys will know. So there is no ending to this place. Like, there is so many cars. There's pickups here. Look, there's a pickup truck, a really cool one actually. Would love to have a big pickup like that. Some other vans, but this is really cool. There's some hot rods here. Some cabrios. That's cool. Look at this. It's in bad state, but it's so dope. It's so dope. Look at this. Oh wow, I really like this shot. Oh, once I'm done filming, I'm gonna take some really cool pictures here. If you guys are interested about my pictures, you can follow me on my Instagram @exploringandme. Definitely give me a follow there. I usually post sneak peeks there on my story. Yeah, I also film places I go to, so, or if I get caught or anything, I always film it on my story. So yeah, also I post all my pictures there, so definitely give me a follow @exploringandme. Wow, this place is dope, guys. Really enjoy this. So guys, right now I'm sitting in a cool truck. I just really quickly want to thank you guys for the amazing support lately, and the more support you guys give me, the more better locations and the more better videos I can make and create for you guys. So if you are new to this channel, you can follow me here by pressing the subscribe button, but definitely press the bell button too, because subscribing, and this is also for my already subscribed people, if you only subscribe, YouTube is not gonna notify you whenever I upload or whenever I go live on location. So, and sometimes it's just nice to talk to you guys, and I always go live on random moments, so a lot of you guys have probably never seen me live. It's always a small group of like 40 people that join me, because only they get the notification. So just take a small moment to press the bell button and you should be getting notified at least more than normally. So I just wanted to say that, and also I just want to thank you guys for the amazing support, because I do really appreciate it. So yeah, what a cool location. I really like this place. Bye bye.
If you guys like abandoned places and want to see more of the best abandoned locations in the whole world, be sure to press the subscribe button and also the bell button to turn on notifications for whenever I go live. Also, you can support my hard work by leaving a like or sharing this video on social media.